We are here at this workshop on peer learning on entrepreneurship education because we wanted to bring together policymakers, people from academia, entrepreneurs, NGOs, and we wanted to have them all interact in a workshop and discuss their ideas, see what we can come up with collectively.
So an event like this brings people together to discuss and also share experiences about why entrepreneurship education is important and how we as policymakers make them happen out in the classrooms. Entrepreneurship education also makes students more engaged with entrepreneurship, but they also make them more engaged with schools in general. So therefore, I highly recommend that governments work more with entrepreneurship strategies.
I am a student entrepreneur from Luxembourg. I think that the way we are taught has to change. So it's clear that not everyone has the entrepreneurship mindset, but it's really important that students know that they can participate in these programs and really make their idea happen.
People have to act upon opportunities and ideas to transform them into something valuable for others. Anything that creates value for others is an entrepreneurial venture.
Companies have an important role to play to build this new workforce and to partner with schools, with Ministry of Education, with NGO, to help them and to share the business needs of the needs of the workforce, what we expect from the workforce, and to help them to build them.
Entrecom gave us definition of entrepreneurship competences on which we can build instruments and tools for our national market. Finally, we have done a lot of meetings before and now we can start to implement a practical tool.
The tools like Entrecomp and DigComp and the other competence frameworks are really important because they provide a very good tool that could be applied at the national level with support of experts, of course, but could be applied for stimulated system level developments in the countries.